What's the most important hormone for living a long, healthy life? No, it's not growth hormone or testosterone. It's insulin, the key to avoiding disease and living to 100. Insulin isn't just about blood sugar, it's your body's energy manager. It feeds your cells, keeps your metabolism stable, and protects your organs. But here's the issue. By age 65, 1 in 4 people develops diabetes. Diabetes isn't just a sugar problem. It's linked to blindness, kidney failure, amputations, and even cancer. And the hidden enemy? Insulin resistance. That's when your body produces insulin, but your cells stop responding. Want to check your insulin health? Here's a quick self-test. Do you feel sleepy or shaky after eating? Crave sugar even when full? Gaining belly fat fast, even with dieting? If 3 or more of these sound familiar, it's time to see a doctor.